Hey folks, Adam here. I love my home gym, but it's getting more and more crowded every single day. But fortunately, I have this. It's the THERUN, and this is a completely folding treadmill that I absolutely love, that I can use for so many different activities. Whether it's an incline walk, a fast-paced walk, a run, or a sprint, this is giving me the workout I need every single time. Now, ever since we started working out here at home, we realized there's nothing better than a good brisk walk, a light jog, or a sprint for keeping those pounds off. And that's where this comes in. This is something that you can have in your home gym, in your house, or just about anywhere. Now, it has a beautiful screen, and there's a variety of workouts that you can go through the variety of modes to increase the intensity to get the most calories burned, and you can have a great time doing it. Now, this is a beautiful LED screen. It is practically set up when you get it, very easy to take care of. And on top of that, I love that this has all the safety equipment, including that little red plug that if you happen to slip off the treadmill, it stops to keep you from injuring yourself. Very smart there. Now, let me tell you about the company. This is a premier brand, a brand that has been making high quality products for a long period of time, making sure that you're getting the absolute best of the best. They stand behind their products, and in these trying political times, it's always important to partner with a company that you know is going to have your back. Even years down the road, they have you covered. That's because they're making their products with high quality equipment, things that don't break, things that last, and things that work well. Yeah, that's what we're talking about, is the THERUN. Now, on top of all that, there are dual cup holders right in the top, to where you're getting the most out of your workout and you never have to worry about it. Okay? You have a place to put your soda, put your water, put your electrolyte drink, and keep going in those times of need. Another thing I like so much about this is it has a very long stride. As somebody who's 6'3", I can get a full sprint on this. Most walking pads and treadmills, you're not going to get that full distance on here. And I love the fact that this supports my full weight. Trust me, most walking pads and treadmills would bend under pressure from this. Now, when it comes to the adjustment, there's a very easy adjustment here. You can get that full incline. You can adjust the levels. You can adjust the speeds, either incrementally or jump 2, 4, 6, and 8. And I tell you what, if you're doing a full sprint at that 8, you're going to be quite impressed. So you've got great variance in the degrees, great variance in the speed. You can change the program and the mode at a push of a button. And if you look at these individual modes here, there are a lot of modes to get you the best workout possible. And that beautiful LED screen, it even also gives you a spot that you can put your tablet or book, notepad, or whatever you're using your phone, and you can still see that while you're using. Now, I love the fact you've got the sensors on the side here, so you can track everything about your body, and that makes it absolutely perfect. Now, as we mentioned before, you've got the clip here that's going to clip onto your clothing, and should you have to stop quickly, it will immediately stop the treadmill. It's a little bit of safety science that we all love. So folks, my 5 favorite things about this brand: first and foremost, how sturdy this is. Supporting a big guy like me is almost impossible. Second is that beautiful LED screen. They've done a tremendous job making a high quality screen that's going to work for you and for your family. The long stride here, the fact that you can get big long steps in, is something that's truly fantastic and unlike the competition. Of course, the foldability, and not only can you fold it, but you can move it around into a more convenient location. Never seen something so durable and reliable like that. And of course, when we talk about the durability, number 5, this is built of the highest quality materials, a non-slide mat to keep you nice and fit, nice and safe. There's a little bit of give here too, folks, which is good on your joints. Overall, everything about this is A+, from top to bottom and stem to stern. So folks, I've really just got one question for you. So what are you waiting for? Products of this quality at this price point don't come along very often, so that's when you need to act quickly to take advantage of this fantastic deal from a great company. My name is Adam. I've been working out since I was a kid, and the one thing I'll tell you is getting the right quality equipment makes the difference between working out and not working out. So it's time to get to shopping, get to stepping, get to running, and get to it right now. Folks, you know I love you and I appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? All right, thanks for watching. Again, get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends. Go pick one up.